So count number of characters, words and lines in the file. So how we can do that? Okay, so suppose I will again take the example of employee.txt file. So suppose I want to calculate the total number of lines present in this file. So how I can do that? So for that, uh, when I need to do wc, right, and dash l to count the number of lines and the file name. So and the file name, so file name is employee.txt and hit enter. So if you see here, there are total 9 lines present in this file. Now if I want to count the number of words in this file, so how many words are present in this file, so if I want to count that, so for that, wc dash and wc dash w and the file name, so file name is employee.txt, hit enter. So if you see here, total number of words in this file is 36. Now I want to check the total number of characters in the this file. So for that, I want to do wc space dash and m for number of characters and file name. So file name is employee.txt and hit enter. So if you see here, the total number of characters in this employee.txt file is 188, right? Okay, now let's check grep of what is grep and how we can use grep in Linux. So actually grep is used to search for particular text in the file. So if you see here, suppose we can take the example of this employee.txt file. So suppose I want to find the user name Maria in this file. So how I can do that? So for that, grep and the word or the character that I want to find, grep find, so search. So for that, double quote and Maria and the file name. So in our case, the file name is employee.txt. So if you see here, the in the result we are getting the user Maria. But suppose I forgot, I remember the spelling of the word, but I forgot its case. Suppose it is either uh, a lower case or upper case, so I forget. So how I can do that? Because in normal case, if I grep m is a small letter, and if I want to grep that, I will get no results. But I want the result to be displayed for Maria in the result. So what, how can I ignore the case? So for that, the option is dash I and the pattern that I want to search and hit enter. So if you see here, dash I has successfully ignored the case. Okay, now uh, suppose let's again take the example of uh, suppose I want to uh, suppose I want to grep or search for particular file in a particular word in two files. So how I can do that? For that, we have f grep, and then I can search for Harry and the two file names. So one file is employee.txt and another file is employee1.txt. So this will this F grep will sort for this word or this string in two files, employee.txt and employee1.txt. Yeah, okay. So in employee.txt also this Harry string is present. In employee1.txt also this Harry is present. Now let's take the example of let's take another example. Suppose I want something, I want in the result not to display the particular string. So suppose I don't want to display the uh, uh, string media or something in the output. So how I can do that? So suppose let's take the example of df-ht, right? So let me clear the screen. Okay, so I want the in the result of df-ht command, but I don't want this boot mount point to be present in my output command. So how I can do that? For that, pipe. So pipe will actually the the result of the df dash st can be now used with the new command that will enter after this pipe command. So how we can do that? Pipe grep dash b will to negate the output. So I don't want the boot to be displayed in my output. So dash b and the that string and hit enter. So if you see here, this boot is no more present in my output here, right? Okay, now again take the example of audit log. So we have uh, cat var log audit dot logs. Okay, now again I want to grep the multiple words or multiple string at a time. So how I can do that? For that, I can do is egrep. So e egrep and the string I want to, suppose I want to uh, like grep two strings. So first I want to grep system and also I want to grep root. So I want two string to be displayed in my output. So how I can do that? For that, egrep and the first string pipe symbol, again another string. So hit enter. So if you see here in the result, we have string that has system, that has root, system or root. So it has displayed both the result that matches. So either it is root or system, so it has displayed the both result. Okay, now suppose I want to grep this uh, number. Okay, I want to display this number. Sorry. Okay, I want to display this number. Sorry, let me copy again. Okay, I want to display this number, but I also want to display five more number above this string. So how I can do that? For that, uh, uh, b for before the line that I want to and 5. So this will display the result grep this one, and it will also display the result of 5 lines before this result. So string. So if I hit enter, so it has displayed this one, and if you count here 1 2 3 4 and 5 lines. Also suppose I want to now display the lines after this number, or we can say a string. So how I can do that? So dash and a for after and 5 and hit enter. So if you see here, it has display 5 lines above it and down it. So this is all about a grep. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. Let's meet in another video again. Thank you. Bye bye.